Hi, this is Jen, and I have 2, maybe 3 videos today, but the third one will be a little bit later. Probably it'll go up tomorrow or something. So 2 videos. So today I have 2 unboxings. So I'll show you the first one, and this one is from Try the World. If you get your first box right now, it'll be $10 if you use a promo code. So I'll leave a link below on the bottom. Leave a link below on my information, and your first box will be Paris, I think, because it will be Paris box. So I finally got one of these because I've seen everyone have one, and I also wanted to try their subscription box, so I tried it. I'm trying it right now. So this is only one of them. The however many months is like $35 after this. So I don't have that much money right now, so probably not going to do that. And I use my survey money for this. So okay, let's get to it. And this is the box. Try the World. And they have this thing here that's on top, like that. And so they have one of these culture guides. So let's see here. This is tea and Palace des tea. Some tea like that. It's something imperial from Japan. Tamari yokakucha. Yokocha. And there is 3 of them. So this one, why is it from a product from Japan? Where did I read that? Very smooth Japanese green tea. So it's green tea. Then these caramels. Caramel tenders. So there is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. No. Then some Persil. These are French Persalidine. And these are herb blends, organic and grown or aromatic. Good on fish. meat and vegetables. Then whole grain mustard. Then some jam. Fruit jam. Peach. Then some master salt. So there's sea salt in here, which I'm not going to open. Then the last one is La Mer Polar Palex. Butter cookies. And so this is the Paris one. It tells you how to do it. So if you don't know, the back has instructions. And I say it's worth it because if you haven't tried any countries, you should. But if you only have the money, so that is worth it. That $35, I guess. And so if you like this video, share, subscribe, comment below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing.